Alright, let's talk about the top 3 trading myths. Ano ba yung mga maling paniniwala ng mga traders out there? These are the hoax. Okay, let's start with the number 1. Myth number 1, try often enough and pretty soon you'll succeed. Totoo ba yun na try ka lang ng try and in time magsasucceed ka? In trading, hard work isn't enough. You should also do deliberate practice. So kung hard work lang ng hard work yung gagawin mo, marami, tandaan nyo, sa Pilipinas, maraming Pinoy na hard work ng hard work pero hindi yumayaman. Anong mali sa situation na yon? So to be consistently profitable at forex trading, you need to actively hone your abilities and develop your skill. So ibig sabihin lang ito, marami kasi mga traders, alam nyo yung ginagawa nila, nag-i-stick na sila doon sa isang strategy nila. Halimbawa, marami kasing mga forex trader, ang ginagawa nila, try lang sila ng try. Okay, try ko to, ito, puro ito lang. Wala na. Wala sila talagang wino-workout na set na goal na talagang a-achievein nila ng may period of time. Kailangan po may ganon.